Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to change the battery out on this 2022 Hyundai Palisade. So it's a pretty simple repair, but we're going to be walking you through it step by step as if you've never done anything with cars before. So the first thing we're going to do, you can see the car's running. We obviously want to turn it off. And then right down in here is the handle to pop the hood. Hopefully you could see that. So we're just going to pull that up and that's going to pop our hood. Okay, so now we're at the front and you can see here, there's a little lever in here. We're just gonna press that in, push straight up. Okay, and this gives us access to the battery compartment. So we're gonna need to remove this housing right here. So the three tools we're gonna need for this, a 10 millimeter, a 12 millimeter, a ratchet with an extension, and then also a small screwdriver. Okay, so we have the tools right here, and obviously your battery. First thing we're gonna do is remove these two little screws right here, these pop tabs. So what you're gonna do is take your screwdriver and just pop them up gently. These break very, very easily, so just be careful. There's one, and there's two, and you could kind of just work them out. You just don't want to break them. I mean, you could order new ones. So there's one, that's what it looked like. Two. And now what we're going to do is slide this out, push it this way. Take it out like that. Okay, so now we have access to the battery. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the negative terminal first. And you can see here, this is right here. That comes out like that. And this houses the 10 millimeter. Take that cover off by lifting that tab. So like I said, we're gonna remove this one first. You don't fully remove it, you just loosen it. Okay, and then just wiggle it off. Then we'll do this guy. Again, rotating it this way. Same thing, we're just gonna wiggle, maneuver it over. Okay. So now the only thing we have to do is remove this 12 millimeter nut, or bolt, I mean. And we'll remove this all the way. And this just seats the battery down. Okay, there's that. Set that up here for now. Now the battery is free. We're just going to remove it with the heat shield. Okay, we'll get the new one in place. Okay, so the new one's in. We'll just drop it in. Okay, make sure it's seated correctly. Push those down, and we can put this back in place. Okay. Tighten our bolt. Tighten it the rest of the way with the 12. Okay, just give it a little shake and make sure it's seated. And then to reinstall everything, we're going to do the positive first. And now's a good time. You could put some battery cable grease on your terminals, but now is also a good time to just inspect in here. Make sure there's nothing. Now is a good time to inspect in here. Make sure there's nothing, no corrosion or anything. You could hit that with a wire brush if there is. Switch out our sockets. Okay. Make sure these are pressed down. You don't want to go crazy with torquing these down, but you definitely want them pretty tight. Okay, close that up. Put this back on. Okay. Now we can put our box back on. Okay, and then just take note of the way this goes in. Slides in like this. Okay. Take our little clips. They clip down into place. Okay. Battery's installed.